Good day mga ka-CRT. Welcome again to our practice exam series for ECT board exam. This is part 1, numbers 21 to 30. Be ready with your pen, paper, and calculator. Read the following questions carefully and write the letter of your choice in your paper. Let's begin. Number 21. The sum of the ages of Gia and Hannah is 32. 4 years ago, Gia was twice as old as Hannah. How old is Gia? Letter A, 15. Letter B, 18. Letter C, 20. Letter D, 22. What is the best antenna feed line to use if it must be put near grounded metal objects? Letter A, ladder line. Letter B, twisted pair. Letter C, coaxial cable. Letter D, twin lead. The capacitive reactance of a 25 microfarad capacitor connected to a 60 Hz line is letter A, 106.1 ohms, letter B, 420 ohms, letter C, 2.4 ohms, letter D, 1,500 ohms. 25. Voltage drop means letter A, voltage developed across the terminals of a component. Letter B, any point in a radio circuit which has zero voltage. Letter C, difference in voltage at output terminals of a transformer. Letter D, the voltage which is dissipated before useful work is accomplished. (26) The determination of digital signals frequency and wave shape is best accomplished with which test equipment? A, an oscilloscope. B, a multimeter. C, a spectrum analyzer. D, a frequency generator. (27) It is known as PRC Modernization Act of 2000. It provides the required examination to be given by the board. Letter A, RA 5734. Letter B, RA 9292, letter C, RA 7925, letter D, RA 8981. 29. An ideal voltmeter has blank internal resistance. Letter A, 0. Letter B, infinite. Letter C, 100 ohms. Letter D, 10 mega ohms. 30. In FDAS, for flat ceiling height of not more than 4 meters, the spacing of smoke detector shall not be more than blank meters. Letter A, 6 meters. Letter B, 9 meters. Letter C, 3.4 meters. Letter D, 6.4 meters.